Mom, Dad, Merry Christmas. Congratulations on 25 incredible years. Reaching this milestone is no small feat, and very few ever do. We feel so blessed to have been part of this journey with you. Starting, running, growing a business takes courage, grit, and heart. What makes us most proud is how you've done it.
You kept your faith, family, employees, and the community at the center of everything. That's what makes this so special. So now we'd like to share a message of congratulations from some familiar faces, and maybe a few unexpected ones too.
Hey, Mark and Miranda, Merry Christmas. I want to start by saying I appreciate you guys nominating me as Golden Rule's Employee of the Year for 25 years in a row. So I really appreciate that. Crazy that it's been this long, man. If you think about that, we've been doing this for longer than a lot of your employees have even been alive. So think about that. We can say we've done this since the 1900s. This was back when Darian was a little guy. He would come to the shop after school and he'd raid all the trucks looking for spare change to buy candy at the vending machine. I think he still owes me $5 or $6, so I'll be looking for that on my next check as well. So just to give you a heads up. But no, it's been a great ride to see how stuff has changed. Started out with just a handful of trucks, and now you got a whole fleet of them. It's been pretty amazing to see. So great job. Keep up the good work for a few more years at least so I can retire. And that's all I ask for. Merry Christmas, guys.
Congrats, Mark and Miranda, for the 25 years. Thanks for everything you guys have done for me.
Congratulations on 25 years in business, Mark and Miranda. I definitely enjoy working here, and it's a huge milestone that a lot of businesses does not get to see. So congratulations on 25 years, and here's to another.
Congratulations, Mark and Miranda, on 25 years. It's a great place to be, and so happy for you all.
Congratulations, Mark and Miranda. Thank you for the opportunity to be a part of the 25 years of success.
I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to congratulate Mark and Miranda on a 25-year amazing run at Golden Rule. I think the vision for how they want the company to operate, their amazingly consistent and strong execution has resulted in quite a market share in the community and a great place for their employees and families to work and live. Thanks for all your hard work and congrats on an amazing, successful run.
Hey, Mark and Miranda, congratulations on 25 years and thanks for pulling me in off the streets.
Hey, Mark and Miranda, 25 years, congratulations. It's been amazing to be a part of. Thanks for having me here for the last 11. Congrats.
Hey, Mark and Miranda, congratulations on making it 25 years. Thanks for taking the risk. Thanks for the sleepless nights, the blood, the sweat, and the tears. Thanks for creating that butterfly effect for our team members, their family members, and our entire community. Can't wait to see what happens in the next 25.
Mark and Miranda, congratulations on 25 years. It's been a pleasure to serve the past 10 years with you guys.
Congratulations hitting 25 years, Mark and Miranda.
Hey, Mark. Hey, Miranda. Been going on 8 years working with you guys. I appreciate everything you guys have done for me. And congratulations on 25 years.
Mark and Miranda, cheers to 25 years of success, and here's to a bunch more. Cheers. Oh wait, it's like 8 in the morning. I gotta get back to work.
Congrats to 25 years.
Here's to 25 more.
Happy 25 years, Mark and Miranda. I just want to take a moment and say thank you very much. You guys have always inspired us and pushed us to be better than who we are. I mean, look at me. Nobody's called me an asshole for at least a couple years now.
Not to your face.
Really? Anyway. All right. Again, thank you guys very much. So from Dustin,
Chastity, and Lincoln.
Thank you and Merry Christmas.
Hey, Mark and Miranda, it's John Walters from Iowa State Athletics, and just wanted to wish you a very happy 25th year anniversary from the Cyclone family to the Golden Rule family. Congratulations.
Mark and Miranda, congratulations on 25 years. I really enjoy working with the family here. Here's to another 25 more.
Miranda, Mark, want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Congratulations on the 25 years of business.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Hey, Mark Miranda, congratulations on 25 years. It's a big accomplishment. Thank you for everything you've done for me over the last 6 as well.
Oh, hey. Hi, Mark and Miranda. No, seriously. Congratulations on being in business for 25 years. It's pretty amazing to see a company that's family owned make it even this long. And here's to another 25 years. Merry Christmas.
Congratulations, Mark and Miranda, to the silver anniversary. It takes strength and resilience to make it this far. Here's to 25 more great years. Congratulations.
From us here at Top Tech Class, congratulations on reaching 25 years in business here at Golden Rule. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas, so Merry Christmas from us.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Mark and Miranda, congratulations on owning a business that's made it this far. You guys have been the best to work for. We love and appreciate you guys.
Hi, Mark and Miranda. Congratulations on 25 years. Thank you for all the opportunities you guys have given me over the last almost 12 years. Have a Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much for all you do for us, Mark and Miranda. Congratulations to 25 years of business.
We appreciate all you do for us. Thank you.
Hi, Mark and Miranda. Congratulations on 25 years. That's amazing. I'm so very happy for you. I really, really love working here and excited for many more years.
Mark and Miranda, I looked this up. 25 years ago, the #1 search term on Google was Britney Spears. 25 years ago, you were also starting this company that's become a recognized and respected brand in Central Iowa and beyond, and that is amazing. So while Britney Spears might have moved down on the list, you've certainly moved up, and I think that's quite the accomplishment. Congratulations.
Hey, Mark and Miranda, congratulations on 25 years of success with Golden Rule. Your passion for the community is inspiring. Cheers. Wish I had a glass. Better, maybe a beer or something. Cheers. Still no glass.
And thanks from all of us here at WHO 13 for your support over the years, which includes your work with us here on Hello Iowa.
Most importantly, thanks for keeping Iowa residents cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Here's to 25 more years.
Hey, Mark and Miranda, congratulations on 25 years in business. Merry Christmas.
Hey, Mark and Miranda, congratulations on 25 years in business and have a happy holidays.
25-year anniversary. Merry Christmas. Glad we got to be somewhat part of it for, I don't know, 7 years now. How many, Matt? I don't know. Johnson's
I've been
at
here
like
for 12
15
years, so it's been a pleasurable ride, and thank you for taking care of us and running an excellent company. And Merry Christmas, Mark and Miranda.
And I've been here for 2 years, and thanks for giving me this job opportunity and just teaching me how to do the job. And Merry Christmas.
"25 years is a long time to do anything successfully, especially grow a company into a multi-million-dollar enterprise. And with Tom as your first and only employee, it must have been hard times getting off the ground in the beginning. Just kidding, Tom. But in all seriousness, from starting with 3 employees, including yourselves, to building and living in Shop 804, to having one of the best years ever as a company during COVID, to expanding to about 4 times the size in Building 904, adding an electrical department, to starting a second location over 1,000 miles away in Salt Lake City, Utah, it's got me thinking, maybe those cold showers are paying off, Mark. And with all that being said, I'd like to make a toast. To Mark and Miranda for building a company that's thrived for 25 years and helped us all do the same. Congratulations. Here's to 25 more years of growth and success. Cheers.
Hey, Mark and Miranda, congratulations on 25 years in business, and thank you for all the awesome opportunities you've given me over the years to learn and grow as an adult and be a better plumber and all that stuff. So appreciate it. Thank you guys, and have a great one.
Congratulations, Mark and Miranda, on your 25th anniversary. I want to thank you for the opportunity you've given me over the years. Wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas, and here's to the next 25. Thank you.
Julian Skadden here with Nexstar Network to congratulate you, Mark and Miranda, for all that you've done to grow Golden Rule to be all that it is. I understand you're approaching or are in your 25th year, and that's quite an accomplishment. It's not easy. You know, I can imagine the startup period. I can imagine the work that you've done. But I've had the privilege of getting to meet you now as you are on the upward swing. So those early years that got you to where you are today, I don't want you to look past that. I'm going to invite you all to reflect on that with some gratitude, because here's one thing I know. For all of the great things that I know that Golden Rule is doing, Mark and Miranda could not have done it alone. They've done it with great leadership, great community, and great opportunity for the future. So while they stay focused and disciplined on growing that business, I'll encourage the rest of you to realize that what they're doing is creating more opportunities for the community and others. So with that, you have an exciting time ahead here with your Cyclones. I wish you the best there. And I'll also say I look forward to all the great innovations and progress that you'll bring back to the membership through what you bring and build in your business. Everything from your beautiful Tech Academy, which I was able to visit in person, to the other aspirational innovations that you're bringing to other leaders, Mark, that I'm watching you share on LinkedIn and directly through your communications and connections. Again, great things are being built at Golden Rule, not alone, but with a community. Congrats, and looking forward to 25 more at least. See you soon.
Congratulations, Mark and Miranda. Appreciate everything you do. Here's to 25 years.
Congratulations, Mark and Miranda, on your 25-year anniversary. I just wanted to say thank you for giving me the opportunity to work here from the days as a young pup. So,
congrats, Mark and Miranda. Thank you so much for investing in us new Top Tech guys.
Congratulations on 25 years in business.
Hey, Mark and Miranda, happy 25th year. A quarter of a century in business, in the same business. That's a heck of a job, and that deserves a huge round of applause. Mark, it was great having you on the podcast. Mark and Miranda both, it was awesome having you at Rhino X, getting to experience why it's the most exclusive event in the home services. But man, congratulations. 25 years, that is exceptional. And no one makes it in business that long unless you're doing it right. So congratulations on the first 25. Let's see if you got another 25 in you. Cheers.
Happy 25 years in business. Congratulations, and keep up the good work.
Congratulations on 25 years with Golden Rule.
Congrats, Mark and Miranda, for 25 years. Thanks again for letting me be part of your journey here in business.
Hey, Mark and Miranda and the whole team at Golden Rule Plumbing, HVAC, and Electrical of Des Moines, Iowa. Jesse told me that you were celebrating your 25th year in business. And I just said to Nate, these people have been in business, hiring, developing people, creating jobs, building the economy for almost as long as Nate Minnick has been alive. So of course we have to celebrate that. Of course we do.
Definitely not as long as Brian has been alive, though.
No, my oldest kid is almost that age. So, but we definitely want to say thank you for what you do for your community, what you do for the nation with the small business, the developing of people. The fact that you listen to Waste No Day tells us that you're dead serious about people's development and leadership and communication. We thank you for your support of the show for sure, and keep doing what you're doing, man.
Yeah, of course, we appreciate your support for the show, no doubt. But even more so, we appreciate you being in the trades and being a leader who is driving men and women to be better versions of themselves in an industry that we love so much. So congratulations, both of you, on 25 well-deserved celebratory years. And remember, waste no day.
Happy 25 years and many more. Merry Christmas.
Wow.
I don't think I'll be able to unsee that one.
Mm. Mom, Dad, thank you for bringing us along on this amazing journey.
Here's to many more years of faith, love, and growth. We love you. Cheers and Merry Christmas.